All right, number 36 says to write the slope-intercept form of the equation of the line. Whenever it says to write it in slope-intercept form, you should think solve for y, or make y the subject. So what we're going to do is we're going to subtract this 5x from both sides. We get 7y minus 5x. Oops, sorry, 7y equals negative 5x. Then we're going to divide by 7, and y equals negative 5/7 x. Now, if you notice, we don't have a b in here, but there's always going to be a y-intercept with these lines unless it's a vertical line. So in this one, we can go, oh, well, that means since there's no b here, our b is 0. So it crosses through at the origin. If we were going to graph this real quick, we'd put a dot at 0, 0, because that's our y-intercept. And then we rise 5, which means go down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then go over 7, put a dot, and then draw our line through. Very easy, guys, but this is all we needed to do for this equation.